Yo, you ever meet somebody and you just want to get to know them? You know, you're not trying to say too much, but you just want to talk to them, but they ain't going. Yeah. Oh no. And I was just trying to tell her, like I was just trying to have a conversation, like all I wanna do is talk to you. Do I even get to try? All I'm trying to do is walk with you, but you don't like my kind of guy. Well damn, don't it suck? Man, that's fucked up. Guess I gotta find myself some luck. Can't have a conversation when you're too stuck up. I'm guessing I ain't gon' be the one. Well, did it, you love it when I came to you? You just wanna grab all the attention, don't ya? Well girl, it's your loss. I'm telling you that I'm hot shit. I feel like I'm the boss, you know. Well, I'll never get the show, cause you can't even give me a chance. It's fine, I'm cool, you can go and do you. I won't try to make you understand. I don't get it at all. Why they always tryna floss, but they ain't tryna talk. I don't get it at all. Lady, if you're looking for me, I'ma be long gone too quick, and you better not trip. I was tryna be there, but you didn't listen. I could've gave it all, we could've gone far. I guess it's just another sad case where the love story never starts. If you ain't tryna talk, then fine. Shit, I got better things to do with my time. If you ain't tryna walk, then fine. Shit, I got other things to get off my mind. Cause you know I'm coming up, and I'm just looking for a rider. Someone when you be stressing to pull up right beside ya. That one lady that'll really change your life up. Someone that got you crazy, someone that you can wife up. For real. But if you ain't that, then I'll be okay if you don't hit me back. I mean you fine too, but you ain't all that. And on top of that I'm cool, and I'm steady on track to blow. I seen the type you are before, so I guess that I already know just what you tryna get and what you tryna show, and how you mess around giving these good guys hope. Goddammit, I don't get it at all. Why they always tryna floss, but they ain't tryna talk. I don't get it at all. Lady, if you're looking for me, I'ma be long gone too quick, and you better not trip. I was tryna be there, but you didn't listen. I could've gave it all, we could've gone far. I guess it's just another sad case where the love story never starts. All I said was hi, hello, girl, I know you heard me, but then you run and tell your girlfriends that I'm thirsty. Damn, don't even know you try to hurt me. I thought I had a clean approach, how you go and do me dirty? It's cool, you bad, not the baddest that I've seen. I was just trying to click, maybe have you on my team. Way king need a queen, way hope need a B. Guess you don't believe in chances, so I guess we'll never see. I ain't even mad about it, right on to the next. But if that's how you are, then you probably be an ex. If I ain't your type, I ain't even gonna stress. I just had a lot of time and was trying to invest in something I could share. If I had someone to be there, I mean one hit in a million, I guess that shit pretty rare. But hey, what you gonna do? I'ma find another, but it could've been you. I don't get it at all. Why they always tryna floss, but they ain't tryna talk. I don't get it at all. Lady, if you're looking for me, I'ma be long gone too quick, and you better not trip. I was tryna be there, but you didn't listen. I could've gave it all, we could've gone far. I guess it's just another sad case where the love story never starts.